What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you watched the little live stream that I did yesterday, I apologize because I've never used the feature before. I didn't even plan for it. I just got the phone on my hand and I said, you know what, I'm gonna hit live, or I'm gonna try to go live now, see how this whole thing works. In the future, I will go ahead and plan it out, and I guess casual, so you guys go watch it, or at least know when it's coming up, so you guys know that I'm gonna be going live. Anyways, today we're gonna test out, like the thumbnail says, some of the products that the guy from Superclean sent me, including this hat. They sent a few of their products so that I can test out and make a video out of it. They didn't pay me to make a video and say that the products were the best or anything like that. They just simply reached out to me, which, by the way, Superclean, thank you for reaching out to me, because out of all the small companies that I have got send me an email to do videos and stuff like that, I never thought somebody like them will reach out to me. Superclean, you can pretty much find them in a lot of the major stores. I know AutoZone. If you have an AutoZone around the house, they do have their products. Also, if you're lazy like I am, if you don't want to be going to AutoZone, or you don't want to be going fishing at the store to find their products, I'm going to include links on the description of this video, as always, for Amazon, where you can go ahead and order all their stuff. So check out the description of the video for the detailed list of all the product. Now, as you all can see, my engine bay could use a little cleanup, so we're going to see what this foaming spray can do. So usually when you use degreasers like this on your engine bay, you spray them all over, and you do want to agitate all the areas that have the heavy grease or the heavy dirt and stuff like that. What I'm doing now is I'm just going to go ahead and spray all over the engine bay, and I'm going to use my regular hose. I am not going to go ahead and use a power washer, because I want you guys to see what the product does. I know not everybody has a power washer at home, so that's why I'm just using my regular hose. Spray some of that stuff in there, let it sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna hose it down and show you what it looks like right afterwards. Now, before you attempt any of these, it's always a good thing to remind yourself of any custom wiring that you have on your truck or particular vehicle that you're working on. If you know there is any kind of wiring that might be exposed, you might want to cover that before you spray anything on your engine bay. Alright, so let's go ahead and start spraying this thing down. Now, I don't know about you guys, but the few times that I use products like this, I always turn on or let the engine run for just a couple of minutes to get it dried out. You know, spray some of these all over. Again, I'm just gonna spray it. I know in some areas, like right there, you might want to agitate. Depends on how much grease and how much dirt you have on your engine bay. But I'm just gonna spray it all over and let it sit here for a few minutes and see what it does. Alright, so it's already been a few minutes, almost 10 minutes since I've let it sit over here. And I can see, I just show you that little close-up where all the dirt, grease, and all the stuff is already being kind of like taken apart. So I'm going to go ahead and hose it down. Again, I didn't agitate anything. You might want to, if you go ahead and decide to try these products out, you might want to agitate all these areas where you see heavy grease and dirt like that. So I'm gonna hose it down and see what it looks like afterwards. Now, you guys know your engine bay better than I do, so always remember, the longer you let the water sit there, the more chances you got of getting yourself in trouble. The most important thing to do before you spray anything on your engine bay is to remember, before you attempt any of these, please cover any wiring that you think might get affected by the water. Don't spend half an hour spraying water at your engine bay. Or maybe if you went ahead and covered everything and you know for sure that you're not going to damage anything, then maybe you want to spend a little longer spraying water in there. But for the most part, go ahead, spray your product in there or whatever it is that you decide to use, and rinse it off right away. Do what I did. But you see there, if you might have seen any shine or anything on the plastic parts, it's already dry, you don't see it. But in some clips, you might have seen some piece of the clip, you might have seen shine in there. As you can see now, it's dry. The shine was only from the water. I didn't put no Armor All. I'm not a big fan of putting Armor All over anything, but I just want to let you know, dry your stuff out as quick as you can. Also, depends on how much dirt you have, how long it's been since you last cleaned your engine bay. You might want to agitate all the areas that have heavy grease or have dust or whatever it is that you have in there. Don't do what I did. The reason why I did it is because I want to show you guys what's it look like if you don't agitate anything, if you just spray the Superclean product there without agitating. I went ahead, like you guys saw, sprayed it right away. I didn't use my power washer again because I know not everybody at home has a power washer. What you saw was just a regular water hose that you might have at home. And again, that's the final result. So again, this is what I was using. I'm going to leave descriptions of all these products, including these, the wheel cleaner, among all the other products that they sent to me. I'm going to leave links on the description of this video where you can go ahead and order these at Amazon if you're lazy like I am, that you don't want to walk to a store. So I hope the video was kind of a help to you to decide whether you want to use these guys or not. If it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next video.